What it do, guys? I'm back to show you another cute protective hairstyle that took like less than an hour to do. No joke. So the hair I'll be using is the Freetress Braid Crochet Waterwave 22-inch 1B and my crochet needle. So stay tuned to the end and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So I'm parting my hair in two sections. I just put my hair in a bun for the back for the crochet hair, and the front I left out because I'll be doing some cornrows. I was going for a simple cornrow design, nothing too fancy. I parted my hair in a diamond shape to do a big braid in the middle, and the rest of the cornrows I did like a slant upward braid, if that makes sense. So while I'm braiding, I'm going in an upward swoop motion to get that effect, doing 3 braids on each side. Okay, so I'm done braiding the front part of my hair, and here's what it looks like. So as you can see, 3 sides on each and then one big braid in the middle. Now I'm just taking all the cornrows and putting it up into a top knot bun, but leaving the middle braid out because at the end I'll be wrapping that hairpiece around the bun just to make it a little bit more fuller. Alright, so I'm going to crochet the back of my hair using the Freetress hair. I decided to do the braidless crochet method because I've been literally seeing everyone do it, and I was like, why not try it? Because I'm always used to cornrowing my hair first and then attaching the crochet hair, but I thought maybe let me try this hair method instead, because 1, it looked simple, and 2, I was already up so late and wanted to cut down on time. But keep in mind, I used 4 packs of hair for this hairstyle. So to make sure I secured the hair, I did a triple knot for the crochet hair. So 1, 2, 3, and then tighten it. Alright, so here's the finished look, as you can see. And the back, I really made sure to cover the bun with lots of hair so it didn't show, and just wanted to make it look full as well. Off camera, I crocheted some pieces on the top bun and then wrapped my hair around it along with the middle braid that I left out earlier on. And to glam up the hair, I just put some cute ring accessories that I got from AliExpress. I just put it on the middle braid of my hair. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and bye!